Succeedschool.com. Learn to succeed.
Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. There are two main types of cells we observe in the living world. Eukaryotic cells are the types of cell you're probably most used to. These are cells whose DNA is collected together inside a central nucleus, such as plant and animal cells. They also tend to have smaller organelles in their cytoplasm, such as mitochondria or a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Pretty much any living organism big enough to see without magnification has eukaryotic cells, so we call them eukaryotes. You are a eukaryote. Prokaryotic cells are much smaller, and typically organisms which are prokaryotes are single-celled, such as bacteria. They have no nucleus with their DNA in a loop, and possibly other smaller rings of DNA called plasmids. They also often have a cell wall like a plant cell. Prokaryotic cells tend to be around 1 micrometer in size, while eukaryotic cells are typically 30 times as big. For a more detailed explanation of cells, please check this video, and to learn more about prokaryotes and eukaryotes, check this video and click here to subscribe.